The great work is the path of ascension, the path of the Magi, those who seek after wisdom and the perfection thereof, those who seek to live their life from a perspective of wisdom, of command of the lower self, of the passions, the ignorances, the base desires, all those things that tend to lead us into ego confrontations with other animals. And when we take the jabbar and we prove that we are able to master our pain, master our human basic animal nature, and rise to the higher elements of a metahuman in full control of our genetic vehicle, and looking and living life from the perspective of our energetic higher soul self. And all of that involves work. And sometimes it's a little fun to step out of character and wrap yourself in mysticism and mystique and powers, siddhis, as it's known in yoga, occult powers. But none of that is possible, and really those are no more important than your base 3D 5 senses. Those are just higher senses to operate in the higher realms. And you don't really get there until you do spiritual purification. So I want this message to resonate in that this path is a refinement of the personality. It is as if we were metaphysical gardeners weeding out those aspects of our personality that tend to distract us or get us off the path from ultimate glory and ascension. Namaste, namaskaram.